Gentlemen, y'all are in the Magistrate Court of Habersham County. My name is Gerald Johnson. I'm the Chief Magistrate. And the purpose of this hearing is to conduct your first appearance, which is to verify the information the court has on you, to advise you what you've been charged with, and to advise you what some of your rights and the procedures are from this point forward. First of all, I want both of you gentlemen to realize that you are innocent until proven guilty. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say could be used against you in any future proceedings. You also have the right to have an attorney with you at any future proceedings, and if you can't afford to hire one, the court will appoint an attorney to represent you at no charge to you. As long as you're incarcerated, you have a right to a committal hearing, or what's sometimes called a preliminary hearing. That's a hearing held in magistrate court where the judge will hear the evidence that the state has against you and make a determination of whether or not that evidence is sufficient to bind your case over for trial. However, when you make bond, you waive your rights at that committal hearing. If you're charged with a felony, in most cases, you have a right to have an indictment drawn against you and have that presented to the grand jury of Habersham County, where they will determine whether or not to bind your case over for trial. If you're charged with a misdemeanor, you have a right to have an accusation drawn against you and have that presented in the state court of Habersham County. Good morning, Deputy Carter.
Good morning, Judge.
Let me get you to raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you give in this case to be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do, Judge.
Thank you, sir. Tell me the facts and circumstances surrounding this case.